Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the previous class I have conducted test no. Now I am going to give answers for this. Okay, you can check your answers now. First question is what A bit I have given. Choose the correct answers for 5 marks. That means each question carries 1 mark, right? First question is what children? This diet includes all the nutrients. Okay, this diet will include all the nutrients. What are the options? A. Junk diet. B. Balanced diet. C. None of the above. Answer is what? Balanced diet. Okay, I am ticking C with the red color pen. This is our answer. Next, moving to the second one. See friends, idli can be cooked by which method? How will we cook idli? By using which method? Roasting, steaming, frying. Which answer? Steaming. Avir patti chestam kadana? That one. Steaming is the answer. Idli can be cooked by steaming. Next one is what? Which of the following minerals help in the formation of bones and teeth? What is the answer? Calcium. Calcium will help in the formation of bones and teeth. Okay, the name of the special digestive juice which is made in the liver is what? Starch, bile, lipid. Bile is our answer. Bile. Next one. Which of the nutrients is responsible for building muscles and growth and repair of our body? I told which will be helpful for growth of our body, which build our body. I told for you what? Answer is proteins. Okay, carbohydrates and fats, I told that energy giving food. Yes or no? Now answer is what? Proteins, because they are asking which nutrients are responsible for building the muscles, growth and repair of our body. Okay, these are our answers. You can check them. Next, moving to the next bit. Next page, wait friends. Page number 2. I am zooming it, right? Now BBT is what friends? Hard words. First one, this also each question carries 5 marks. First one is what? NU dash R dash E dash T dash means what? Nutrients is the answer. I am writing here. See, NU T. This is T children. T. R I. I'm writing again, wait. N U T R I E N T S. Nutrients is our answer. Here in the dashes, first one is T, next is I, next N, next is S. Next one is what friends? Vitamins. V dash T A dash I dash S. V I T A M M I N N S. This is our answer. Okay. Next one is scurvy. S C U R V Y. Scurvy. Next is what? Digestion. D I G. Wait. This is C. Digestion. No. D I G E S T I O N. Digestion. Last one is what friends? Roasting. R O A S T I N G. Roasting. Okay. Now moving to the true or false. First question, what they have given? Proteins are also called as protective food. Is it true or false? No, false. Why? Because protective food means what? Vitamins and minerals, but not proteins. Yes or no? Proteins are called protective food means what? False. F I am writing here. These are the bodybuilding food, proteins, but not protective food. Okay, if the given proteins are called as bodybuilding food, you can write as true. Here they have given protective food, so it is false. Next, fats give us quick energy. True or false? Yes, true. Fats will give us what? Quick energy. So answer is true. T I am writing here. True. Now moving to the next one. Less than half of our body weight is water. Is it true? False. More than half of our body weight will be water, not less than. So answer is false. I am writing here F. Okay. Now moving to the next point, children. Next bit is what? Fill in the blanks. The part of plant food that cannot be digested is called. I told in food some food will not be digested. That food is called as what I told? Roughage or fiber. Anything you can write in both roughage food or fiber food. Spelling of roughage is what? ROUGH AGE, roughage or fiber, anything you can write. Second one, the digestion of a whole food is completed in the small intestine. Yes or no? If they ask whole food is completed means you should say small intestine. If they ask where the minerals, fiber, food will be digested means large intestine. Whole food means small intestine. So write here small intestine. SMA. No, small spelling. Small. SMALL. Small intestine. INTESTI. This is I, children. NE. Intestine. This is your answer. Next one, we should dash eating snacks between the meals. Means we should avoid eating snacks between the meals. While you are eating food, in the middle you should not eat any snacks. So avoid. Spelling is what? AVOID. Okay, children. I am reading again. AVOID. Next, moving to the next bit. Matching, no? Match the following. This also 5 marks. Now say friends, first one, what is there, children? Here vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for eyes, I told, no? So vitamin A goes to D. So our first answer is D. Iron means blood, I told for you. If you eat the food which consists of iron, your blood will be, growth will be good in the body. Next one, vitamin D is for strong bones. Vitamin D is for strong bones. Vitamin C means what I told? Citrus fruits. If you eat this type of fruits like what? Tomato, gooseberry, guava, what will happen? You will have the strong gums. Gums means what I told? Chigullu. Okay, that one. Next is vitamin B. If you eat the food which consists of vitamin B, your nerves and muscles will be healthy. So I am saying answers, you see, first one is goes to vitamin A, D. I am writing C here answer. First one is D. Next, iron is blood. So C. Next, vitamin D means strong bones, that is E. Third one is E, your answer. Fourth one is A, strong gums. Fifth one is vitamin B, healthy nerves and muscles. This is your answer. Next, okay, moving to the next bit. I am zooming it, wait. First one is what, children? First question, name any 2 sources of calcium. What are the 2 sources of calcium? In which food calcium will be present? Milk, eggs, meat, fish, all those, any 2 you can write here. I am writing here milk and eggs. See, milk, MILK, milk and eggs. Okay. Next, name any 2 ways used for preserving food. Means without spoiling of food, how to preserve the food. What are the 2 ways they are asking? You can write pickling, sweetening, all those. Okay, or dehydration, drying, anything you can use. Okay, I am writing here pickling, you see. Pachal antam kadana, pickles, that one. Pickling, PICK, PICKLING, pickling. Or drying, 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 sweetening, anything you can write. Okay, long answers you already know, I have given in notes, you can check. So these are the answers. In the next class I will come with the second lesson exam. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study.